Thank you for your purchase of the 8000X outside safety ladder by Confer Plastics. The 8000X outside safety ladder is made to be used in tandem with the Confer Plastics Step 1X. Assemble this ladder before assembling the Step 1X. If you have already assembled the Step 1X, it will be necessary to remove the handrails. You will need the following tools for assembly: a cordless drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, utility knife, liquid soap, Phillips head screwdriver or screwdriver bits. Begin by forcing the stringers into the bottom tread so that they lock into place. Make sure the single row of tread lugs are facing outwards. Install the top tread. This will be the only tread that we attach to the stringers. Place the rest of the step treads into place on the stringers, but do not screw them into place. Noting that there are left and right tread connectors, position them to the appropriate side of the ladder. Connect these tread connectors by using the 3.5 inch bolt, washer, and nylon nut. Do not over-tighten these. Next, fasten the tread connectors to the end of the treads at the two indicated locations. Do these for all the treads except for the top two. Repeat for the tread connectors on the other side. Using a sharp knife or a set of pliers, detach the 4 wedges from the end of the protrusions by twisting them off. We will be saving these for use later on. Push the protrusions from the platform into the openings of the handrail, making sure that both legs of the handrail are facing in the same direction. Tap these 4 wedges into the sides of the handrails to secure the platform to the rails. Slip the mounting blocks all the way to the protruding nubs on the adjustable tubes. Sometimes it helps to use liquid soap or a spray lubricant. Push the adjustable tubes with the mounting blocks into the back of the handrails. Attach the shield by sliding the shield opening over the top of the handrail. Push down into position and rotate 90 degrees. Attach the handrails to the ladder assembly, making certain that the treads are facing the correct way. Attach the mounting block to the top tread of the Step 1X. Reattach the handrails onto the Step 1X. Attach the ladder to the step. Refer to the diagram in the instruction manual to see all the necessary screw locations. Connect the ladder handrails to the stringers at the indicated location on the handrails. The 8000X can be flipped up and locked to prevent access when there is not appropriate adult supervision.